Alright guys, so today, since the bumper is done with paint, I'm going to put all of the little parts and pieces back on for the most part to remount it. I have not wet sanded it yet, so I'm going to put these pieces back in and then wet sand it when it's not miserable. Alright guys, so here we're attempting to buff out some of the orange peel before wet sanding to see if it would just come right out with a buffer and some polish. Unfortunately it didn't, so when Joshua left I went ahead and wet sanded the entire bumper and then rebuffed it afterwards. So you'll see how much of a difference it makes between this clip here and after I do all of the wet sanding. Alright, so I've gotten everything wet sanded. It's kind of hard to see in the garage light. There we go. So I think I got most of the orange peel off. We'll find out here in a few minutes. Alright y'all, notice this. I don't know if you can see it on the camera or not. It's like spider webbing over here on this corner. I don't know if we didn't use the right primer or the bumper flexed too much when we were putting it on, but it's got little tiny little cracks all right here. Not really anywhere else on the bumper has it done that. Yeah, I don't know. If anyone's got any ideas in the comments, there's some right here too in this little corner. But on this side of the bumper, it all looks good. So, don't know what happened right there. Alright, it's all buffed. Joshua definitely did a lot better job on here. I can still see a lot of orange peel in here. So I may have him make a second pass. I'm not professional at doing the buffing and such. I'm afraid to burn through my fancy new paint. But now, the whole car needs to be repainted. But, following the motto, it's definitely better than it was.